Can I wash my Skechers shoes with water?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common question that many Skechers shoe owners have. Can I wash my Skechers shoes with water? Well, you've come to the right place, as we're here to provide you with all the information you need. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding Skechers shoe care.
Before we discuss whether you can wash your Skechers shoes with water, let's first understand a bit about Skechers shoe care. Skechers offers a wide range of shoe styles, including athletic shoes, casual sneakers, and more. It's important to note that different Skechers models may have specific care instructions, so always check the label or the manufacturer's website for any specific guidelines. However, in general, many Skechers shoes are designed to be machine washable.
Check the label and instructions.
To know whether your Skechers shoes can be washed with water, the first step is to check the label or any accompanying instructions. Look for any care symbols or text that indicate if the shoes are machine washable or can be washed with water. If you don't find any specific instructions, it's best to proceed with caution.
Cleaning Skechers shoes.
If your Skechers shoes are labeled as machine washable or can be washed with water, here's a simple guide to cleaning them. 1. Start by removing any loose dirt or debris from the shoes. You can use a soft brush or cloth for this. 2. If the insoles are removable, take them out and set them aside. 3. Fill a basin or sink with cold or lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water as it may damage the materials of the shoes. 4. Add a small amount of mild detergent to the water. Avoid using harsh chemicals or bleach, as they can cause discoloration or damage. 5. Gently agitate the water to create a soapy solution. 6. Place the shoes in the water and use a soft brush or cloth to gently scrub the exterior surfaces. Pay attention to any stained or dirty areas. 7. After cleaning, rinse the shoes thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap residue. 8. Squeeze out the excess water from the shoes, but avoid twisting or wringing them, as it can deform their shape. 9. Place the shoes in a well-ventilated area and allow them to air dry naturally. Avoid exposing them to direct heat or sunlight, as it can cause the materials to warp or fade.
Non-machine washable Skechers shoes.
If your Skechers shoes are not labeled as machine washable or if you're unsure about their care instructions, it's best to avoid washing them with water. Instead, you can use alternative methods to keep them clean. Here are a few options. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently wipe away dirt and stains from the surface of the shoes. For odor control, sprinkle baking soda inside the shoes and let it sit overnight. Then, shake out the baking soda the next day. If the insoles are removable, you can wash them separately according to the care instructions provided. Consider using shoe cleaning products specifically designed for non-machine washable shoes. These products usually come with instructions on how to clean and maintain your shoes effectively. So, can you wash your Skechers shoes with water? The answer depends on the specific model and care instructions. If your Skechers shoes are labeled as machine washable or if the instructions allow for